Emily, the easiest way to do this is to go to your calculator. So I'm going to teach you. There's a video on your thing that says go to ARC, P-A-R-C-C, practice test. If you don't have a calculator at home, if you have one at school, you can use the one at school. Click on practice test DC assessments, click on view mathematics practice test, then go down to where it says Algebra 2, click on computer-based unit 2, and this time start as a guest, click start, and the calculator icon is going to come up. You're going to click that, and you have a calculator that you can use. So the easiest way for you to do these on 16 and 17 is to type this in just like it is in the calculator. X minus 3, x plus 1 times 7x minus 2. Let's see, here we go. So I'm going to hit y equals. I'm going to do x plus 3. I can't remember what the next one was. X minus 3, sorry. X plus 1 and 7x minus 2. X plus 1 and 7x minus 2. When you graph this, the important thing is where it intersects the x-axis and the y-axis. And what you're going to see here is let me look at this again. Make sure I got this right. Yes, okay. So when you graph this, you can see, graph. It intersects at -1, it intersects at 3, and it intersects here. That's actually going to be 2/7, and I'm going to show you why that is here in just a minute. Okay, but you can check these -1 and this 3 on the second graph, and you can see that the point 3, 0 is on the graph. That tells you that it intersects the x-axis at 3. You can see the point -1, 0 is on the graph. You can also see that it goes from positive y value to negative y value between 0 and 1. So let me tell you, another way that you can do that is you can look at this. Oh, here we go. And I set each one of these equal to 0 and solve. So x minus 3 equals 0 means that x equals 3. X plus 1 equals 0 means that x equals -1. That's -1. And the 7x minus 2 equals 0. If I solve that for x, I add 2 to both sides and get 7x equals 2. And then divide by 7 and get x equals 2/7. Oops, 2/7. So that means that graph intersects at -1, at 3, and at 2/7. So when I graph it, it goes up, it comes down, it's supposed to hit at 2/7, and then goes back up again. And that's your rough graph. So that's how we do this. If you graph these in the calculator, you'll be able to see that. This one's going to be a little bit different, but it'll show up in the calculator for you. But go ahead and graph it just like that, and you can do 16 and 17.